Welcome to another episode of our motivational audio with Tony. Today's topic is all about enhancing creativity and innovation, and I'm excited to share some tips and tricks to help you unlock your full potential. Do you ever feel stuck in a rut, lacking fresh ideas and struggling to come up with new solutions? It's a common problem, and one that can hold us back both personally and professionally. When we're not feeling creative, it's easy to fall into a routine and stick with what we know, even if it's not the most effective or efficient option. For example, imagine you're working on a project at work, and you're tasked with finding a new way to streamline the process. You might feel like you've exhausted all the possibilities and struggle to come up with a truly innovative solution. Or perhaps you're an artist or musician, and you feel like you're stuck in a creative block, unable to come up with new ideas or inspiration. So how can we enhance our creativity and innovation? Here are a few tips to get you started. Firstly, give yourself space and time to think. When we're constantly busy and consumed by our daily tasks, it can be challenging to find the mental space to come up with new ideas. Try setting aside dedicated time for brainstorming or problem solving, and make sure you have a quiet space free from distractions. This could be in the form of a weekly brainstorming session or just taking a walk outside to clear your head. Secondly, expose yourself to new experiences and perspectives. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected places, so make sure you're exposing yourself to a diverse range of experiences and viewpoints. Attend new events, read different genres of books or articles, and seek out different perspectives on topics you're interested in. Thirdly, practice divergent thinking. Divergent thinking is the ability to come up with a range of different ideas or solutions for a single problem. This skill can be developed through brainstorming exercises and thinking outside the box. Don't be afraid to come up with crazy or outlandish ideas. Sometimes these can be the starting point for truly innovative solutions. And finally, don't be afraid to fail. Failure is often seen as a negative thing, but it's an essential part of the creative process. If you're not failing, you're probably not pushing yourself hard enough. Instead of being discouraged by failure, use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, creativity and innovation are skills that can be developed and honed over time. By giving yourself space to think, exposing yourself to new experiences, practicing divergent thinking, and embracing failure, you'll be on your way to unlocking your full potential. Thanks for tuning in to our motivational audios. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to come back for more tips and tricks on personal and professional development. Please, share these audios with friends and families.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.